Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zapier with Asana for task creation from forms, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located in the upper right corner. In the trigger search bar, type Asana and select it from the drop-down menu. Choose the trigger event you want, such as New Task, and click on the Continue button. You'll need to connect your Asana account to Zapier. Click on Sign in to Asana and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier's access to your Asana account. Once connected, click Continue. Next, select the workspace and project from which you want to trigger task creation. Click Continue to set up the trigger. At this point, it's time to test your trigger. Click on Test Trigger to fetch a sample task from Asana. If everything works fine, click Continue. Now it's time to set up the action step. In the Action search bar, type in the app you're using for forms, such as Google Forms or Typeform. Select the appropriate form application from the list. Choose the action event that relates to form submissions, such as New Response. Click Continue and connect your form application account if possible. Select the specific form that you want to use to create tasks in Asana. Then click Continue. Now, map the form fields to the Asana task fields. For example, you may want to map the form's name field to the Asana task title field. Once you've made all necessary mappings, click on Continue. You will now get an option to test your action in Asana. Click on Test Action to create a task in your selected Asana project. If the test is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. Finally, click on Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Congratulations! You have successfully set up Zapier to create Asana tasks from form submissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.